Hey guys, good morning. Today is the 26th, I believe, of December. Yes, Merry Christmas, by the way. How is your Christmas? Like the Noche Buena and everything. Anyway, today is the 26th. Like I said, it's Wednesday. I'm off today. I will be, me and Clarice will be going to Solomon's Island. It's kind of like, I'll let you guys see in the vlog later, but we're going to Solomon's Island. It's just like literally 15 minutes or 13 minutes away where I live, so we're going there, eat like a brunch, and then after that we'll probably just run, like take pictures at the Solomon's Island because it's really nice over there. I'll let you guys see later. But yeah, I'm just done getting ready. And oh my god, for the lips I use this Queen Cosmetics lipstick. I don't know, it's the shade 90 or 06, and I line my lips with the Nichido lip liner in the shade Blaze, and then I'll put this on my lips and like in the center of my lips, and it's really nice. It's kind of like match my outfit for today. So this top is from Boohoo. I will let her probably do like my outfit for today, but we're gonna take cute pictures and then I will talk to you guys later when she's here. By the way guys, I forget to give a shout out to my cousin's daughter, which is, my cousin's name is Jennifer, and her daughter always watches my video. And thank you for watching my video. And it's funny because they literally watch me on TV, and it's just, I don't know, it's just so cute. But hi Imani, Merry Christmas Inda, and hi Ate Jennifer and Malia, and yes, Merry Christmas. Mag-hi ka na. Dito na siya.
Hi! Charet!
So we're here at the Solomon's Island. We're gonna... That's the Solomon's Bridge. Ang haba ng bridge na yan. Yan, punta kami dyan sa the pier. Okay, so we're here at the Lighthouse Restaurant. The Hungry Clarice. Diba? The menu. We're at the Lighthouse Restaurant. They serve appetizer, calamari, fried calamari, and the sauce, crab cake, and steamed shrimp. Let's eat. Woo! Gosh, natahimik na yung babae. Pa-outfit natin. Tingnan mo yung sun. Mr. Sun.
Highlight ba kami?
Yes. So, lalagay lang namin yung food sa car kasi mapipicture kami. Guys, so what we're gonna do right now is take a picture and video of her because the view is just way too nice.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Is it on? Oh, I'm recording! Yeah!
Guys, so punta kami ng Walmart. May bibili na lang akong regalo. Tapos punta na kami sa ano, sa Bath and Body. Ay my god, masyado masilaw. And guys, we're here at Starbucks. Send ko sa'yo yung ano, wait. After this, we're going to Bath and Body Works. Then, I don't know, I have to stop at Target first or Walmart to get that gift from my friend. Bath and Body Works! Nagkasamay mo yun? I'm gonna try it. The same as this one. What? Wala. Hindi masyado?
Tama lang.
Ano na siya?
Pero itong bango.
Maganda yung ano guys.
Pabango.
Tingnan natin. Wait lang. Ito ano to?
Oh, sorry.
I think this is the body lotion. Wait. Ay, nananino.
Ito na, try mo. Di ba may binigay ka sa akin na ano, na lotion dati? Ganito siya kalaki. Ano kaya yun? Ang bango din nun, be.
Kalimutan ko na yun.
Pero nandun pa yung bote sa akin.
Sige, I'll get it.
Okay.
Alam ko yung I was like, oh, let me see. Thank you. Ang Barbie. Ito. Okay, I'll try natin.
Pami nga. Oo nga, mabango nga siya. It's nice.
Hey guys, so we're here at Payless. We just well, she gave me, I guess, from Bath and Body Works. She's trying on some shoes. Are you trying some shoes, Be? Yeah. They have a lot. They have cute. Oh, they have size 7. So this is like my aisle. Oh my goodness. Hala. Yeah, that's really cute. Meron din silang ganyan, BO, yung black. I-try mo yung black.
Ito, sa safety.
And they also have the black pairs over there that has like links. She's gonna try that one on. ASMR. Ay, nakakaputi. Oh, that looks nice. Look. Tapos mag-aano ka na lang, magpa-pedicure ka. O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Bagay sa'yo. Ang ganda, be. Ang ganda lang. Meron siyang ano eh. Meron siyang design. Comfortable ba?
Oo, ganda.
Ang ganda. Guys, look at this. They're having sale or like clearance for $7 for like this flats.
Marami pang pipilian doon sa St. George. Doon na lang ako, be.
Sige. They also have this. Tingnan mo, be. Denim na siya na ano. Na parang siyang sandal na may heels. We're here at Target, guys. Oh, look at them cute. Saan yung mga laruan?
I think doon na sa kabila.
Guys, ito na yung tour ng bahay namin. Ni ano. Magsama na ho kami.
Pero may anong parang cake.
Oo, looks so nice. Oh my god. Ito na yung future kitchen ko, guys. Look at that. Wow. That looks so cool. We've been trying to find this toy section at Target. Kinda lost. For girls.
May mga toys sa
Sa beauty section na naman. L'Oreal. Lush. Ay, ito ba yung Lush Paradise, be? Lush Paradise. Ito yung ano, yung L'Oreal na Infallible Pro Matte. Ubus na yung L'Oreal ko. Wala na. Tapos meron silang ano, meron silang peach na blush. I didn't know that L'Oreal have blush. And they also have the Infallible Matte Lock and Glow Lock Primer. Look at this Wet n Wild. There's the Wet n Wild. And that's the favorite foundation that I have. And the Infamous Butter Bronzer. Next up, ta-dang! Sephora. Good luck. Ano na? I'm gonna get this too. I have mask. Ano ba yan?
Di ba yun yung masakit yung matanggal kilay mo?
Uy! Ay, uy, mga peke kasi yun. Bye ka muna. She's going home. Bye! Hey guys, so I'm home already. She already went home and, well, dropped home. But I'm just gonna show you what she got me. We went to Bath and Body Works and she got me this lotion, this cucumber melon lotion, and it smells really good. This is the 24-hour moisture ultra shea buttercream. Thank you so much, Beth, for the Christmas presents and this rose fine fragrance mist. Oh, it smells so good. And thank you. I also got her gift, and she'll probably do a haul when, you know, in her vlog. Anyway, and we stopped by at Sephora because I've been wanting to try this hold on, this Ole Henriksen. I have the green one, the green toner, and they came up with this Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, and oh my god, I can't wait to try this. This is how the packaging looks like, and let me try this one. And this is $28, I believe. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So right there, it's blue, and this is good for at night. Pour into a cotton pad and swipe over clean dry face in a circular motion. Follow the serum. Okay, so this is a facial toner for night, and I will use the green toner at morning when I woke up, and then, you know, rinse my face and everything. I'll use that green toner, and this is at night. So anyway, I also got, since I've been loving the Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer and the shade Warm Beige, I got the foundation, which is the shade. I went on there and she shade matched me, and this is in the shade Golden. Let's see, is this already open? Oh yeah, so this is in the shade, I'm in the shade Golden, and that's how it looks like. And I don't know how much is this. Hold on. It's $39 for the Born This Way foundation and $28 for this toner. And I also got my best friend Crystal. This is my Christmas gift for her. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the new Fussy lip gloss. Right there, that's how it looks like. Hold on, let me just show it to you guys. But this is for her, this is not for me. That's how it looks like right there. It looks so pretty. But anyway, and I will also show you guys what I got for Christmas. And first, where is this? It's a bra. I don't know if I want to show it to you, but my husband got me a bra. It's just a white bra, and it has that how do you call this, in the back right there. And he also got me a brown, kind of like a nudish bra. It's the Maiden Form right there. And then he was so cute. He tried, you guys. He got me this, hold on. So he got me this Belk Beauty, the headliner. So it's basically a makeup kit, and it has contour, highlighter, blush, lipstick, some crazy eyeshadow, eyeliner. Oh, I don't know. He tried, you guys. He tried. I told him that, you know, like, I don't need more makeup, because like I literally have so much stuff makeup. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what he got for me. And he paid for like $50 for this one. Oh god. But yeah, that's how it looks like. It's kind of like a travel kind of makeup. And this is B Beauty. B stands for Belk, you guys. It's kind of like a store. So when you opened it, it has mirror, that mirror over there, and like the eyeshadow. It reminds me of like kind of like a beginner kit, stuff like that. And it has, I really love the blushes though. This blush is really nice. I'm gonna try this blushes. I have like one. Ooh, I like this one right here. Right, you guys can see, but something like here, it's really cute. So in this side, more kind of like warm right here, and this right here is more like in a cool tone. So that's that for the first layer. And then the second layer, it has lipstick, which is liquid, well, not liquid, but like lipstick over there. And then when you open it, it has like contour or like bronzer, and it has like this highlighter, and it has this thing, which I'm not gonna use this. But anyway, I think that is it. Let me see. Yes, that is it. It's just cute that I don't know, he tried, but that's how it looks like. I also got some stuff at Boohoo, which, hold on, let me show it to you guys. This boots at Boohoo. It's this website. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got this boots, and it's printed kind of like I don't know what this is called, but I forgot. Anyway, it's this boots. Don't worry, I'll leave the link below for this boots if you want to purchase it. But this is in the size, well, I'm in the size US 7. No, US7 or US8, and UK 5. So I just like this blue, gold detail, that ring thing over there. And oh my god, you guys, it's so cute. Also from Boohoo, and you guys, look at this boots. I mean, it's pointed white boots, kind of like heel type. And oh my gosh, I don't know, I just like it. And I don't have white boots like this. I should have got like a same boots but on black, because I don't have that pointed type of boots. So I might order another one if they have one on black. I'm gonna try to order online. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this vlog, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to subscribe to my friend's vlog channel as well, which is Clarice Murillo. I will put it right here, her name. And then anyway, I really hope you guys like this vlog and enjoy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.